Hi everybody, welcome to Stampknowhow.com's tutorial. I'm going to try and do a Facebook Live for the first time today, so bear with me. This is first time for everything, I guess. So if you're on, just jump on and say hello and let me know where you're from. I'm in Virginia and been a demonstrator for about 5 years, so I'm going to give this a go and see how we do. But I have a project for you today. I was kind of tooling around in my craft room a little bit. Last year Stampin Up came out with a calendar kit and the paper pumpkin, and I really liked that, and it's on my desk for the whole last year, and I thought, well, they didn't come out with one this year, so I decided to make my own. And if you want, you can take a screenshot of the measurements here. It shows what I'm using. I used the Petal Passion DSP and some red glimmer paper and some striped paper from the same pack. So this is what the project looks like. It's not sure I'm in the camera too good here, but it's really cute. It's kind of like in a 5x7 plastic frame, and you can get these at the dollar store, or I bought mine on Amazon, as well as the little tiny calendar here that I kind of stuck to the front. But it's kind of cool because you can actually take this out, switch it out for the seasons if you want to, or not. I mean, I kind of like this one. It's kind of cool. So it's a really simple little project, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. So if you're there, just give me a like or something to let me know if anybody's out there. I'm going to just check on my phone and see if this is actually working. Kind of hard to figure that out, but yeah, I guess we're on. Okay, so I'll see if I can see any of your comments come up. If anybody's joining me. Just jump on and say hi. Alright, I'm just gonna get started, I guess. If you decide that you want to buy this little bundle, it's a really great one from the Spring Occasions catalog. It's called Petal Palette. And it's got two pieces to it. It's got the little stamp set here, which is really nice. I love the little watercolor images in it. And then it's got the matching Thinlit dies, which I'm going to use for this project too. And it's a really fun bundle. I've used it for another project on my blog. But anyway, if you decide to shop with me, you can use the code here, and I'll send you a little free gift. If I get any orders. So, alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. First of all, you're going to need, this is a 5x7 piece of the Petal Passion DSP. You're going to need a little calendar. This one I bought on Amazon also. It came in like a 3-pack, I believe, and wasn't too expensive, so you can look around for that. And you're also going to need some red glimmer paper and a piece of the striped paper. And it's really simple to put this together once you've got the pieces cut. I'm going to use the multi-purpose adhesive for this because glimmer paper works a little bit better with that. It's kind of thick, and with the texture just seems to work a little bit better with this project. So I'm going to glue that up, and it's going to go kind of in the corner. I leave a little bit of space around it. That kind of set up a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing with the striped piece. Glue that down. And that's going to kind of fit in the frame. So voila, wow, super simple, huh? Basically, the other part, I've already stamped one of the images here, but you're going to need some Memento ink. And I'm going to ink that up, and I'll do the little bird for you just so you can see, but you're just going to ink it up by tapping on it. And then you're going to go in and give them a good press, so you get a nice clean image there. And I'm not going to go and color the entire thing here, but just to show you, I think I'll do the bird. The colors I used, if you have the blends at home, are the old olive color. I use that for the leaves on the roses. And the cherry cobbler, that's for the roses. Smoky slate, and the color lifter was for the birds. So I'm just going to do the bird just real quick, just so you can see. I just basically, the blends, it's like super easy. You can just kind of fill it all in, and then since I wanted him really light, I just kind of made his belly a little bit lighter and his a little around his beak. And this is really cool because it kind of pulls some of that color up so you can get an even lighter shade on your project. And I did kind of the same thing for the roses. I'll just do one real quick, but I used the light color first. And I'm just not super picky about it with this stamp set. It's kind of loose anyway, so I fill it in with the light. And then I go back with the darker color, just kind of to give it a little more dimension, kind of around the edges of the roses where the shadows would hit. Again, you don't have to be super precise with these because you can just kind of blend it all in together. Makes it look really nice. Super easy coloring thing. And basically what you're going to do once you've got that all filled in is you're going to take it over to your Big Shot and cut them out. And magically I've done that for you guys already. I have my 2 pieces colored and cut. And basically what you're going to do is just attach them. It's, like I said, this is like a 5-minute project. It's so fast. And I feel like it would be so much fun just to do like one for like every season. I mean, this is kind of a springy one, but you want to keep everything kind of flat so it fits in the frame there. And I just kind of took my little bird up there. And then this guy, just gonna attach our little rose here. And I kind of liked it framing out the little piece here. And this would be kind of fun too if you have like those little skinny, little tiny little post-it notes. You could always attach one on here too. And this is the little frame I got off Amazon. It's a 7x5, just a plastic frame. They're so cheap. I mean, you can make a multitude of these like for gifts if you wanted to. And all you're going to do is, I just open this up a little bit because it's a little bit thicker. And you're going to slide it right in there. So you have basically your little frame done there. And all I did with the calendar was attach it to the front. So when you, the month changes, you can still pull the paper off. And I just put that on with a few dimensionals just to keep it stuck. Pull those off real quick. Hopefully you guys can see here. I'm not too good with this. Not sure if I'm really in the camera here, but I just kind of stuck it on the front of the frame. You can switch this out every year if you want, because, you know, the dimensionals aren't like super crazy adhesive. You can peel those off. So that's my project. Hope you like it. I'm not sure anybody's on, but if you are, give me a like. And I hope you share this video, and, you know, if you're looking for a quick project to make for a gift or something for one of your office mates or just a friend, I think it would be really fun for them to have on their desk. So again, here's my little list of measurements if you decide you want to make the project. And the other thing I wanted to mention real quick was I have a giveaway on my blog currently right now. It's actually for a different bundle. It's for the Blossoming Basket bundle. It's actually a Sale-a-bration item, but it comes with the stamp set and the embossing folder, the basket weave embossing folder. So if you'd like to enter that, there's details on that post. It's the Blossoming Basket bundle giveaway post. You can enter your information there. You just have to live in the United States, and you can read all the rules of the giveaway there. Excuse me. So if you like this video, share it, and I'm hoping to come out with some more. I've only got the nerve up to try one, so if you like it, give me a comment and let me know what you think. And if there's something you'd like to see, let me know that too. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.